You have a warrant too.
For what?
Driving suspended.
Driving suspended? My license is not suspended.
I didn't say it was suspended. Why don't you listen?
You said
This
driving suspended.
This is probably your problem. This is why you are in this situation.
You just said driving suspended.
You have a warrant for suspended driving.
What is suspended driving?
What do you think it means? What do you think it means?
I don't know.
Well, you got the warrant. You got the charge.
For what?
For driving with a suspended license at the time.
How's it going, folks, and welcome back to the Good Cop Bad Cop channel. Today's video is insane. This one is brought to you guys by the way of this channel here, going by the name of Matthew Brown. In this video, Mr. Brown is kind of in an unfortunate housing situation. I'm gonna start off by saying to you folks that the cops are in the right here in this situation, but in my opinion, actually go about it in the wrong way. This man is being trespassed from a Walmart parking lot and is actually willing to comply with the officer's orders to leave until they begin demanding identification from him, and actually complies with those orders as well, but aren't necessary for a verbal trespass warning. Officer Bishop then proceeds to act like a toddler who didn't get that piece of candy he wanted from his favorite candy shop and throws a hissy fit tantrum in this gentleman's face while he attempts to remain calm. I also want to point out that this is how officers act when they know they have power over you. They start to get carried away and act like contradicting bullies. Take a look at this clip and let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Okay, so being recorded.
So you know. Visually.
I'm just letting you know.
Okay. I need to see your ID, please.
Why?
Because Walmart doesn't want you here and you're refusing to leave, so they want
What
to
about
trespass you.
every?
Doesn't matter. I'm telling you, I need to see your ID. They want you trespassed.
Why? Because
We can talk about
I'm
that.
homeless.
This is private property.
Because
and they
I am
don't want you-
homeless.
No, it doesn't matter if you're homeless.
Yes,
one
it
cares.
is.
No one cares.
Then why is no one
Because
else?
you're on private property and they don't want you here.
Why is no one else being told
I need
to
your ID,
leave?
Please. I need your ID, please.
No.
You're refusing to identify
Why
yourself.
is my name is Matthew Brown?
Okay.
Why is no one else being told to leave?
It's private property. They can do whatever they want.
He said you're not. No one is allowed to park.
They can choose whoever they want to have park here.
So then I'll go.
You can't be on Walmart property anymore.
Okay, I'll take off.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
7/16/93.
Okay. It has nothing to do with homelessness. Do you have services to you?
What do you
in
mean?
Services?
What do you mean services?
Anything for your situation that you're in?
No, you guys don't offer anything. You say Camp Alabama.
There's nothing I can offer. I'm asking, have you reached out and got any services to help with your situation?
The city of Longview doesn't offer. I have reached out.
Okay, so why are you here then?
I have nowhere to go.
You said Matthew Brown.
Where do I go?
You're homeless. You can go anywhere you want.
Apparently I can't.
Sure can. Just not on private property.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
What's your date
This
of birth?
recording is gonna go to the news.
Go ahead. What's your date of birth?
For a simple verbal trespass warning, this is absolutely not needed nor necessary. You guys seen that this man was willing to comply with this officer's orders and take off from this Walmart parking lot, but then Officer Bishop decides to push the issue and run him through the system. Complete outrageous behavior by Officer Bishop. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. Keep watching.
Matthew?
I already stated 7/16/93.
93. It's Matthew Brown, correct?
Yep.
What's your middle, Matthew?
W.
Okay. 3, David, 2, love you. Wants drivers.
I don't have a warrant.
Last of Brown, first of Matthew, middle W for William, 07/16/1993.
Oh my goodness, this is fucking outrageous.
What's outrageous? The fact that you're not wanting to follow a simple request of leaving private property?
Because
or
I'm
follow a
being
simple
told to
request from the law?
release.
They can choose whoever they want to have park here.
So then I'll go.
You can't be on Walmart property anymore.
Okay, I'll take off. I'm told to leave.
Is this your property?
I am being.
Is this your property?
Okay, you're not listening.
Is this your property?
You're not listening
your
to
property?
anyone.
Is this your property? Yes or no?
What's gonna happen
Is
if I
it your
stay?
property?
I want a lawyer.
I don't care if you want a lawyer.
Cool.
This is not your
I
property.
don't have to.
This is the absolute problem with a lot of cops and how they operate their duties. This is also a problem with many of these so-called good cops. Many of these cops seem like they're unwilling to intervene when bad cops do wrong, and I believe that makes them no different. Many of them, when they walk out their doors to go to work, have probably just got done beating their wife or kicking their dog and then take that energy out on the people. You guys can see that Officer Bishop asked this man all kind of unnecessary questions about his housing situation, almost to the point where it seems like he's ridiculing this man. Officer discretion, police unions, internal investigations, and qualified immunity are all little reins of umbrellas of protection for police when they do mess up and do wrong. They also have all sorts of kinds of neat slogans for themselves like back the blue, Thin Blue Line, or Blue Lives Matter, as propaganda for the public that surpass all the wrongdoing of officers to keep that support. Keep watching.
Ask it questions.
Yo, you don't have to ask any questions.
said
That's
leave.
correct.
Have a good day.
Hold on a second.
No, he just said leave.
I don't give a shit what he told you. I'm telling you you're not ready to go. I'm waiting for your return, and Walmart wants to give you trespass paperwork. Do you understand that? So it's real clear on your camera, too.
Get
this
away.
is private property at Walmart.
Okay, I will wait
You're unwanted.
right here.
You've been asked twice to leave.
Get your
You're
sergeant.
refusing to leave. Now
Get
they're going to trespass
your
you.
sergeant.
Once I get your return, you will be free to leave. In the meantime, you're
Get
not free to leave.
your sergeant.
No.
All right.
I have no reason to call a supervisor here.
You are being unrealistic. Call.
In the trespass paper.
They should be. I was hoping. Go ahead. You have a warrant too.
For what?
Driving
Good
suspended.
test.
Driving suspended. My license is not suspended.
I didn't say it's suspended. Why don't you listen?
You said
This is probably
driving
your problem.
suspended.
This is probably your problem. This is why you are in this situation.
You
don't
just
listen.
said driving
You said
suspended.
You have a warrant for suspended driving.
What is suspended driving?
What do you think it
Between
means?
you and the courts.
What do you think it means?
I don't know.
Well, you got the warrant. You got the charge
For what?
for driving with a suspended license at the time.
I don't have a fucking suspended
No.
license.
He's not listening.
You
He's not
can't
putting it
follow
together.
simple things. Can't
I
you?
have never
Smart
had
of you.
a suspended
He is just
license.
You have
You're
a
not
warrant
putting it
for it.
together.
You have a warrant for
You
it.
are not putting it together.
I have never had a suspended.
Then you need
Obviously
to
you have.
contact the place that you have a warrant out of.
Where?
Figure that out. Was
Kid-
Kittitas?
Put a test.
Where the hell is
I
that?
don't know. It's your warrant, man, not mine. It's your problem.
Oh my. Are they gonna take me on it?
David, too long. I've been out here waiting for loss prevention. Can we call them and see where they're at? I saw them when I came in, but we're waiting on their paperwork.
Probably want to know the rules before you stand your ground. Private
Where?
property, you don't have any right here.
I have
None whatsoever.
literally searched and it says everywhere. You can go to Walmart.
No.
Well, when a Walmart employee tells you they don't want you here, you don't get to say, I searched the internet. It doesn't matter.
Where?
A Walmart employee who has more authority than you here because they actually work here can tell somebody to leave. And whether the person on their property likes it or not,
It's not a matter
That's
of
the way it
liking
works.
it or not. It's a matter of
Tell you what, let's put it.
If
Put
it's
it in
illegal-
a layman's term. Let's put it in a layman's terms. Okay. Let's pretend your car, and I'm saying pretend. Let's pretend that your car is over at this Chevron on Industrial Way,
okay.
and I decide to hop in your car,
Okay.
and you tell me to get out, and I say no, I'm not getting out.
How does that have anything to do?
It's no different.
with
I'm in your property. You're on their property. It's no different.
that? Doesn't even make sense to what
okay, let me
I'm
break this
trying
down.
to.
If you were able to actually own something, let's say you owned a piece of property. Let's say this little square right here, you actually had the ability to own.
So now you're okay.
Okay? Let's say you own this square of property because you can't understand the cars concept. Well, you break it down simpler for you. If you own this and I'm standing here and you said you can't be here, that's my property, and I say no,
This is going
I
to
don't
the
have the right to
news.
stand here. And if a police officer comes, first of all, I shouldn't have to call the cops.
This is going to the
But when
news.
you have to call the cops,
yeah, you
that's where we're at.
hear
you
both sides
don't
of the
understand
story.
There is no both sides of the story.
So if I
mean,
call
this
the
is private
cops,
property, you're not supposed to be here. They don't want you here, and you
So-
said you're not going to leave.
when I call the
There is
cops,
no other side of the story.
when I call the cops because I'm fighting with somebody and they hit me, and you don't take them to jail, and I'm the one that goes to jail, how does that work?
Well, you probably lied, or you misled, or something happened in the investigation. That's
Okay.
what happens.
Yeah.
I wasn't there. I don't know. But if you had the attitude that you have right now of just arrogance,
How is it arrogance?
I could see why you probably got hit and
I
you went to jail.
literally tried explaining
No,
to
you get
you.
it. You don't get it. Your brain is thick. You don't understand simple concepts.
No, you're not under.
You don't understand simple concepts.
Oh my God.
Why aren't you working?
I do work.
Okay, well then why are you in this situation?
Literally don't have enough money to pay rent anymore.
Okay, where do you work?
S points.
At where?
Point S.
Okay.
I'm
How
a
often
tire
do you work there?
technician. Every day. Today is literally my day off.
Why didn't you camp there?
Yeah, let's tell my employer I'm homeless.
You don't think they know?
No, they don't.
How do they not know?
Because it literally happened a week ago.
Okay.
And I literally went from having a house for 4 fucking years to this overnight.
Okay.
You have no idea how fucked up this shit is.
I'm not saying I do, but what I'm saying is
I
if
can't
I was in
even
your
find a
situation,
fucking
I
place
wouldn't be
to
having
go.
this conversation.
Literally. Can't even find a place to go. When I go find somewhere
Why don't you ask your employer?
Maybe someone there can help you.
There's plenty of employees. There's plenty of guys that work for Weyerhaeuser that live in their trailers on their property.
Yeah, you guys towed my fucking motorhome. That's bullshit.
If you guys enjoyed this one, I want you to go ahead and go show support to this channel. I don't at all recommend the idea for anyone in this current housing situation to stay on private property, but I also don't support the tyrannical bully and intimidation tactics when it comes to dealing with these people and enforcing these rules. I will say it again, Officer Bishop in the video escalated the interaction by wanting to run him through the system, and that, folks, is what it looks like when small egos are easily bruised. Once again, go show some support and let her know Good Cop Bad Cop channel sent you. As always, you can find the original video and channel link down below in the description. Tap the like, subscribe, as well as the bell notifications icon for future videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.